Good morning, one and all present here. I am Muskan from BSc IT second year. Today, I am here to discuss about resume under guidance of Sanjeev sir. First of all, I would like to thank him. Thank you, sir. Let's start. How we can make resume using Google Docs. First, we will go on Google and type Google Docs as you can see here, and then this will appear. Here, we will select resume. And here is the format of our resume. The very first thing is, what is a resume? Resume is ourselves on a paper. And there are many different type of resume for different kind of work. Like we can't apply for an IT job by giving a resume for management. So first of all, we should know about what we are going to do. So here I will give my name. As of now, I am a fresher, so I don't have any experience, so I will leave this column. Here, I will give the education service. Here I will write down what degree I am pursuing here. Here I will write the year. The same way, if I have worked on any project, I will add it here. Here is the language that I know. Here we will write our address. Here the skills that I know, like I have some little knowledge about C++, advanced Excel and discretes. Here, if I have got any award in school or somewhere I have participated, I will list them here. So that's all from my side. Thank you.